big air conditioning upgrade has been ongoing, and soon we'll be able to chill big time.
Well, as I felt that cool breeze inside the house, I knew that we had our brand new Goodman AC system set up by our friend Jeremy and your team from Reliable Heating and Air. Man, what a fantastic install and what a beautiful unit. Thanks for being here, man.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's Reliable's and Goodman's pleasure to be here taking care of this family. As always, Reliable jumps on the opportunity to help anyone in need, from our veterans to our kids. So anytime we can jump on board and become friends with great people like Military Makeover, it hits home for us.
You know, the two-stage is going to do a number of different things. It's going to keep that home nice and comfortable, not by running on full speed the entire time, right? It throttles back.
100%, you're correct. Instead of it kicking on like most single-stage systems homes have and just running and cutting off, this baby's going to ramp down. Going to keep that air moving, enhancing your comfort and helping with dehumidification, and as everybody loves, lowering that electric bill.
That's exactly what I was going to say. Inside, we've got a brand new air handler installed, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Goodman also donated a fantastic true variable air handler. We have a 5-inch thick pleated air cleaner on there to help take any debris or anything out of the home. We added a couple returns to help balance airflow in the home.
Well, thanks for being here, man. We really appreciate it. And like we always say, thank goodness for Goodman.